Tina.
I'm Ross.
And today we have another exciting P.O. Box unboxing. This was sent to us from our viewer Richard, known as rthoc71 on YouTube. So thank you so much, Richard. We're glad it arrived safe and sound. It's very, very heavy, so I got the notification. I signed up for email notifications and found out it was delivered to our P.O. Box today. So I went by after work and picked it up, and we're excited to open it up. I know, Richard, you already gave us a little preview of what's inside, but we're excited to unbox it and see.
Yes, we are. Thank you very much.
Do you want to
I want to
do the honors and break into it? It's packaged very well. Wrapped up. I think I might need scissors or something.
Okay.
Ha! Ross discovered the first item. Ooh, does that look like M&S packaging?
Why, yes, it is.
Almond biscuits.
Can't wait to try.
Yeah, those are good. We've been very impressed by all of our items from M&S. Has some nice packing. Reminds me of Easter grass. Ooh, we got some hobnobs. Chocolate brownie flavor.
I don't think we tried the brownie variety.
I don't think so either. We've tried a few flavors of hobnobs. I think we actually had a sticky toffee pudding one, maybe? Digestive's double chocolate.
Yes. We haven't tried these. Thank you.
Hobnob's coconut macaroon.
I know.
You'll love that one.
Yeah.
You love your coconut.
Love coconut.
Oh. Did you see what I saw?
I did. You want to do the honors?
I feel like we haven't had a Jaffa cake in so long, and we love Jaffa cakes. So these are the Jaffa Joe Nuts, which I think we'd heard of from some viewers, but we haven't tried them yet.
Those look so good.
They look like the shape of a donut, but they're Jaffa cakes.
Nice.
So yeah, looking forward to trying those.
Yeah. Cool. Oh, I see a favorite.
Oh, chocolate jammy Dodgers, huh?
Nice.
Chalky Dodgers.
I didn't even know they made these.
Yeah.
We've had jammy Dodgers, but oh man.
We've only seen them with the raspberry jam. I think it's the only kind we have here.
Very curious.
Yeah.
Good
We
choice.
like all chocolate, so.
Yes, we do.
Ooh, foxes. We've loved foxes as well. The ones we've tried. So these are Crunch Creams Sticky Toffee Pudding, seasonal edition.
Nice.
That is so fun. We really appreciate the limited and seasonal editions because typically we won't find those here. What we find, it's going to be kind of just your standard one. Like we mentioned, the Jammy Dodgers in the traditional raspberry, but we don't see these special flavors.
Well, it's funny you mentioned jammy Dodgers because...
Do I see another one?
Cola bottles. How cool is that?
Oh my gosh.
All
No
these-
nasty stuff. We're tangy enough. Now, is this the one you mentioned that really smells like cola when you open it? I'm kind of curious.
That's very
Sniff it.
cool. Sniff it.
I can't smell it too much now, but maybe once we open it.
It's very cool. I had no idea they made those.
Oh my gosh.
What's that?
Fox's Crunch Creams Double Chocolate.
Very nice. Speaking of foxes,
Ooh, with orange.
yes, foxes, chocolatey orange rounds.
I haven't seen anything like that. And what's with the black packaging, because it looks fancier.
The black matted packaging.
What does it say? New limited edition, so another limited edition item.
No.
Yeah, because I think
Orange
we've seen the foxes in this type of packaging, but not the flatter packaging that I recall.
Well, it's limited edition, honey.
Yeah, so maybe is that the difference? Do they do special packaging for limited edition?
This looks really
Let
good.
us know.
Everything looks really good.
Another Fox's Crunch Creams chocolate orange. Now he knows what we like. Chocolate orange.
Which one's that?
Fox's Crunch Creams salted caramel. This also says limited edition. Did this one say? Oops, I'm getting stuff on me. Chocolate orange. This one doesn't say limited edition, so maybe this is part of their regular.
I'm glad you're sitting down for this.
Oh, Fox's Jam and Cream.
Yes. Raspberry vanilla.
We love our raspberry jam in our biscuits.
Very nice.
And we have from Lou, which I believe is it French or Belgian? Le Petit Ganache, Choco Hazelnut flavoring.
Yes.
Let's see where that one is. Mondelez. This is Mondelez UK. That says Ireland. Made in EU. Oh, so it says the bakery was created in France. Okay, because we've seen this brand here, but I don't remember these. I believe these are the ones that make, they kind of look like Jaffa cakes, but they're not Jaffa cakes.
Where were you seeing the brand? Was it Cost Plus or another
I
store?
actually saw it in Rayleigh's, of all
Rayleigh's.
places. Not very many items. We've seen a few of them. I don't recall ever seeing that, though.
Ooh, other Foxes.
Another Foxes in different packaging we don't recognize. So these, oh, Millionaire's cookies. Remember when we had those Millionaire bites?
Those are fantastic.
Those were delicious. We really enjoyed them. Limited edition again.
Thank you. Very nice.
Oh my goodness. Oh, there's a little bit more. I thought we'd gotten to the bottom, but not quite yet. Oh my goodness. We need to have like a biscuit party at our house.
Oh, my.
Oh, look at all the Kit Kats.
So there's a container here with penguins, Kit Kat, club bars.
It's very much like the containers that Wooden Tie sent to us.
I do.
Yeah.
About the same size.
So we have McVitie's Gold. Crunchy biscuit bar with caramel flavoring.
My mistake. I thought it was club. It was, actually, there is a club in there.
Yeah, there's the penguins.
Nice.
Now, are these...
The
I
same.
know it's the orange. Yeah, I was wondering if they were a different flavor because the other ones we picked up were red. So I thought, I wonder if they're a special flavoring. Sure enough. Ooh, and Kit Kat Dark Mint. And what's this over here? Oh, there is the McVitie's Club. Salted caramel. Another one we haven't tried.
Right, we tried the orange and the mint.
Yeah, wouldn't I send us orange and mint?
Both were good.
Oh my goodness, there's just more and more. Uh-oh, Tunnix. Tunnix caramel log. Now come to think of it, we've seen something caramel from Tunnix, but I don't know if it was the caramel log. Do you remember?
I don't believe it was called logs. It was a package, and they were side by side.
Were they wafers or something? I can't remember.
Chocolate covered wafers, and I think they had caramel. You can get them dark chocolate or milk chocolate. We tried the milk chocolate; they were fantastic. Love Tunnix. I don't know. I can't say if it's exactly the same.
Right?
thing.
Yeah, I'm not sure about this. If we've ever seen this before, and I'm very, very sad. I still have not seen our Tunnix tea cakes packet at Cost Plus World Market. Time Out Wafer Orange by Cadbury.
Love Cadbury.
This one I've never heard of. Got some more golds and clubs and penguins. Oh, and then here's a Kit Kat. Looks like with white chocolate. Wow, quite the variety in here.
Yes. Very nice.
Now, can I get these all back in here? That's the question.
That's the challenge.
Yeah. It was packed so neatly and perfectly.
Yeah, very nice selection. Thank you.
Just when we think we've tried so much and there are all these new items we've never seen or tried before. Or maybe we've tried the item, but we haven't tried these specific flavors. They're limited edition flavors or other flavors that we just haven't seen yet. There's one more box. Oh, wow.
Oh, is that what I think it is?
Oh, wow. I think I see Kit Kat Chunky.
Oh, that's...
If I can get the right
Ooh.
token.
See, a wisp of gold.
We have a Kit Kat Chunky with Biscoff.
Nice.
So yeah, that's a new one too we haven't heard of. Yeah, wisp of gold salted caramel. Oh, that sounds really delicious.
It does.
We have enjoyed the Wispas. Oh, and here's a Kit Kat Chunky Caramel. And Time Out Wafer Orange by Cadbury. Oh, and here's some, looks like honeycomb Kit Kats. Very curious to try those.
Now this one, did we actually see that at Cost Plus? We just we haven't picked it up yet, or was that one that you were saying that you really wanted to try?
We may have seen it. It's kind of hit and miss to find those there.
Okay.
But yeah, we have not tried these before. Because I do like the honeycomb. That's something we don't see very often here. And some more Kit Kat white chocolate bars. Now this just says Kit Kat flavor variant. What does that mean?
It's a mystery.
I can't tell.
Yeah, I don't think
like a mystery flavor.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Ooh.
And there's also a Kit Kat orange.
Nice.
I think, let's see. And a Kit Kat dark mint.
That sounds
So yeah, lots of interesting Kit Kat flavors that we have not tried before. Wow.
This is overwhelming.
It is. So much to try.
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you so much. We know you take a lot of time, effort, and money. I know everything is pricier for both us here and over in the UK. I know inflation's really been a big thing.
Yeah.
We know it costs a lot of money to ship it, so we're very appreciative of all of these items, and we really love trying them, and we hope you enjoy watching us try these for our channel. So I think we're gonna have to figure out how to sort all these out into various videos. I mean, there's gonna be a lot of different videos out of this.
Yeah, it's gonna be a challenge.
Yeah,
But,
yeah. So be on the lookout for that. And we just wanted to get this unboxed right away since it is. We just picked it up. It's a work night, so we're a little bit tired, and we usually like to try tasting things on the weekend. So we will save these for when we have more time to taste them. I'll try to stay out of them.
We'll do our best.
We'll try to make sure we don't get into these before our tasting.
But again, Richard, thank you very much. This is a really great selection. Looking forward to trying it. Thank you.
Yeah. Like I said, we need a biscuit party or something. Invite friends over to help us out with all these biscuits.
But, oh man. Okay, so I have to ask you, Tim. So, just gonna put this over here. Just at a glance, everything, if I was to say, if you just had to blindly pick, okay, of all this, everything looks fantastic, but I'm assuming that you go straight.
Oh, I can't wait to try those Jaffa Joe Nuts. Yeah.
It's funny, all these things we didn't even know existed, like the Jammy Dodgers.
The chocolate Jammy Dodgers, yeah.
The cola bottle.
And the cola, yeah. How unusual is that?
Every time we go to, just about every single time we go to our Cost Plus World Market, it seems like a permanent fixture there is the raspberry Jammy Dodgers. Just that.
Mm-hmm.
Weren't aware of these other varieties of it, so looking very forward to trying these.
That will be fun. Yeah, oh, and these billionaire cookies, that sounds really good. And they actually call them cookies, like we do, not biscuits.
Yeah, you're right.
I think some viewers had mentioned like things like chocolate chip and stuff. A lot of times they do refer to them as cookies rather than biscuits.
If it contains chocolate.
I don't know that that's actually the criteria. You'll have to let us know down in the comments because it's very confusing to us, the different variations. Kind of like the cutoff between a chip and a crisp and
the size.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, this looks so good.
So yeah, I just feel like we're just surrounded by all these goodies.
Oh my goodness, this all looks so good.
Yeah. Can't wait to try all these. All right, so be on the lookout for some future videos of us trying some of these delicious treats. Thank you again. And if you like food reactions and food tastings and food unboxings like this, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And until next time, bye-bye.
Bye.